Alright, and we're back. So this video software that I'm using limits me to 15-minute videos, and that last one we just did was 13 minutes, so that's why I had to stop it and pick back up again. So this is where we left off, though. We had taken the pre-image right here, this right triangle, and we had rotated it 90 degrees counterclockwise and put it in the second quadrant right here and got a new, what we call, image. So let me write down a few things right here that I think are important. First of all, right here, I want to make sure that your future you remembers how this is supposed to be pronounced. And this B apostrophe right here is really pronounced B prime. And the same goes for the other ones as well. This A right here is pronounced A prime. This C right here is pronounced C prime. Okay. What we want to do next is we want to write down the new coordinates. So let's start off with A prime. If this is the origin right here, then A prime is now, looks like -2, 1. Let's write those coordinates down. -2, 1. B prime is now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -6, 1. Okay, and then finally C prime is -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -2, 8. All right, perfect. So the whole point of doing all of this is we want to be able to go from this coordinate to this coordinate right here without having to go through the intermediary step of using wax paper. So in order to do that, we're going to organize our information on something that looks like this. I'll have this posted up on Schoology. But we want to find, this yellow section right here is going to be the important part. These are going to be what we call the rules. The rules are going to be important because we'll be able to skip this part right here. No wax paper. All right, so let's write down what the original coordinates were. So for point A I believe was 1, 2. Yep. 1, 2. And B was 1, 6. And C 8, 2. All right, cool. Now, after we did this 90-degree counterclockwise rotation, the A coordinate became, let's take another look, -2, 1. B became -6, 1. And C became -2, 8. All right, perfect. Now, if you take a look at this coordinate right here and this coordinate right here, the A and the A prime, you're going to see there really is a pattern there. There's a relationship between those two. It's not a coincidence what you're seeing. Same thing right here. 1, 6 became -6, 1. And 8, 2 became -2, 8. So if you're noticing the same thing I am, the digits are repeating in a certain way. Maybe not the signs of those digits, but the digits are definitely repeating in a certain way. And if we can get that pattern down, we'll be able to write a new rule right here that can help us skip the wax paper and go directly to the new coordinates. So let me show you what your future homework assignment is going to look like on rotations. So what's going to happen is I'm going to give you, as you can see here, 4 coordinates. And our job is going to be to find out where these coordinates are going to be after we do a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation. And if you take a look at the directions right here, you can see no wax paper allowed. All right, so that's our goal. Our goal is to skip over the wax paper, use the wax paper originally to find out what the rules are, and then afterwards skip the wax paper and go directly to our new algorithm. All right, so I don't want to talk about this yet. What I'm going to have you guys do on Schoology is I'm going to have you guys post what you think is happening right here. And then I'm going to give you a new coordinate and ask you to tell me what you think that the image of that new coordinate would be if it's rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise. So look for that. That's where we're going to end this video. Each of these ones right here are going to be their own videos. The 180 degree counterclockwise rotation, the 270, the 360. They're all going to have their own videos. Hopefully they'll be shorter than 15 minutes in order for us to understand what's going on. And I will see you next time.